Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my bathroom. Today's video is going to be a super quick one about my current favorite face mask. And the reason it is my favorite is not only because it works really well, but because it is super inexpensive. Let me jump right in, show you what the two ingredients are, how they work together, and why, because of the measurements, P.S., spoiler alert, it's so stinking cheap. Are you ready for this? Take a look. This, my friends, is the secret. Yes, the Aztec Secret is in fact the secret. So guys, this is natural calcium bentonite clay. It is available on Amazon.com. And when I checked today, because I wanted to verify for you, as of today, it was $8.60 for this container. I have used this at least, I'm really wishing I would have counted. I've used it at least a dozen times, so 12 times. And I just measured before I started filming this video to see how much was left. I still have 8 uses left in this container, and I've used it, like I said, at least a dozen times, although I have a feeling it's actually been more than that. I just haven't counted. There were a couple of weeks where I did it 3 times a week. I'm not even joking. So this is ingredient number 1 of the greatest clay mask ever. Ingredient number 2 is raw apple cider vinegar. This is the Simple Truth organic brand. You should get this kind with the mother, like the best top of the line type stuff, rather than like the cheapy no mother stuff. In here, you use a tablespoon at a time. In this container that cost like $9 or $10, maybe $12, there's 63 tablespoons. There are enough for 63 masks in this bad boy. No joke. So, I'm gonna show you how it works. All you do is you take your little bowl here, which yes, it looks like it's dirty, but like I said, it's because I literally just measured out how much I have left in here. A tablespoon. All you need is a tablespoon, and you need something to mix and apply your mask with. Now, do you need something to apply your mask with? No. This little goofy silicone thing is the greatest thing ever for your clay masks, because it just keeps your hands so clean, and they're so inexpensive. I got the set of 2 on Amazon for I think $4, which is cheaper than the one I originally recommended to you, which was from Target. So they're getting cheaper, guys. This is seriously the cheapest, most inexpensive mask ever. Tablespoon of clay, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, mix it up and apply, and it is just glorious. So I'm going to show you how I built it all together. Alright, so first I want to show you, this is how much is left in my container after my 12 plus, and like I said, it's probably more, uses of this product. So this comes, yes, the product settles, so it's not completely full, but like it's still up to here. And this is 8 uses, and so it probably came filled up to here. Guys, $8.60. So all I do is I take my tablespoon, and that's just it. Tablespoon of mask, put it in my little thing. That's it. That's all you need for that. And then we take our tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It says you can use water. I find that the chemical reaction that apple cider vinegar has with it works better, because you can see and you can probably hear, like there's a bubbly reaction happening right now. Check that out. Look at that. So then, as my bubbly reaction is happening, I'll mix it up. I'm now holding, yeah, this is not gonna work because I don't have 3 hands. But you mix it, you mix it, you mix it. And I find that the apple cider vinegar lets you get a nice smooth mask. And that's it. Look at that. This is more than enough mask for your entire face. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and I will show you when I'm done. Seriously though, I love this spatula because look at it, just hugs the curves of my face, and I know my camera work is absolutely horrible, but seriously, look at this. And look at how smooth the mask is. And there we go, my beautifully applied, even down my neck, which is where a lot of my hormonal acne is, mask. That 1 tablespoon of clay was enough to cover my entire face. So then I leave it on for about 20 minutes. It can be a little bit intense sometimes. I haven't noticed any like crazy stuff. The container does say that you can feel your skin like pulsate. That's only happened to me once. But be aware that when you remove it, your skin will probably be red for a little while. It goes away from you within 20 minutes to half an hour, but this is a great clay mask that is good for oil control, acne problems, or if you just wanna get a nice deep clean out there. This is the way to do it. My gosh, you guys, I am obsessed with this mask. And I have masks, I've tried Glam Glows, I've tried all sorts of masks, and while there are more expensive masks that I love, for the price of this bad boy, you just simply cannot beat it. So the link to the mask will be down below. Like I said, it's on Amazon for $8.60, or maybe if the price changes, maybe $9, but it's for sure under 10 bucks. For the entire thing, they'll probably get you at least 20 uses, at least, and then you just add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to it, and you're good to go. Best mask ever. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in more beauty related videos, be it skincare, at-home recipes, beauty routines, makeup products, whatever it is, if you're into this kind of stuff, let me know what you'd like to see from me in the comments below, because there are still plenty of days of August left, and I have a lot of products that I could tell you about. So let me know what you'd be interested in. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.